Hi everyone, Yannette LeBrun here, interior designer, interior design business organizer, and strategist and owner of YL Designz. Welcome to my channel. The reason why I've started this channel is to share with you my interior design experience as a commercial interior designer primarily, also as a business owner. Some videos I'd like to share with you in the future are videos about how to organize your business processes, how to strategize and market your interior design business, the interior design process, whether it's commercial or residential or e-design process, interior design tips, different interviews, and the list goes on. So if you like what you hear, please like this video and subscribe to get the alerts for when I post a new video. I'd like to start off by telling you a little bit about myself. As I mentioned, I'm an interior designer and my background has been mostly in the commercial interior design industry for the last 15 years, primarily hospitality and also a bit of corporate. More recently, in the last 3 years, I started my own interior design company, YL Designz, and I also specialize in business organizing and strategizing for other interior design companies. Are your interior design business processes in order? Is your workflow different for every customer? Do you have the appropriate templates to complete your project from start to finish? Organizing your business will help you gain mental clarity, which will equal to profitability. In the description box below, I'll have a link to the YL Designz Business School where you'll have access to the various contracts and forms and templates and checklists to help get your business organized as soon as possible. I'd love to take you on my journey as I grow my business and also for you to take what you can and learn as much as you can from the ups and downs in the industry and also be able to apply it to your interior design business. If you like what you hear, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram at YL Designz. Thanks for watching.